Traditionally, ads are broadcast to everyone, irrespective of their interests nor purchasing power. In recent years, AI-enabled personalized advertisement. It shows ads only to a selected market segment. It also customizes messages to potential clients. It makes marketing, as well as advertisement, much more effective and economical. This has already been employed by Google and Facebook, etc. However, this may lead to privacy issues. Have you ever felt you're being tracked and violated by personalized ads? What is privacy? Privacy is the power of secluding oneself, and one can control his or her personal information. It has the option of limiting others to access his or her information. It also has the option of concealing his or her information from others. And it can control others' use of his or her information. So why is privacy important? It limits the power of organizations over oneself. It enhances freedom of thought and speech. For example, the right not to reveal personal information, as well as one's thought, and the freedom of association, and maintaining social boundaries, etc. The advent of computers, smartphones, Internet of Things have made collecting personal data easy. Since AI is data intensive, we are more incentivized to collect personal data, and this leads to more privacy violations. AI is arguably the only way to process big data in a reasonable amount of time. AI enables us to gather, analyze, combine data from different sources. AI can identify, track, monitor individuals across multiple devices or user accounts. Facial recognition and voice recognition can link our digital identity to our real identity. AI can infer or predict sensitive information from non-sensitive information. For example, AI can infer one's emotions from keyboard typing pattern. This leads to more abuse of information. So what can we do? We should be more vigilant. We should think before we share private information. Be anonymous on the internet. Some people suggest to browse through anonymous network, such as Tor. Use incognito mode or clear your internet cookies often. Use open source applications, which are less susceptible to privacy abuse since source code can be audited. Be careful when installing applications. Pay attention to permission the app is asking for during installation. Push for more stringent law on personal data and privacy.